Hi, so I just thought I'd introduce myself quickly. I'm Tom from West Wales, living in Cardiff now, have been for about 6 years. Native Welsh speaker and just a big fan of the outdoors really. So I thought I'd make this channel to mainly just try and show my love for the outdoors, my love for nature and hiking and camping. So that's the kind of stuff that you're going to see on this channel. Hiking videos, any long form walks, lots of camping and just generally being outdoors. So I'm literally just sat here now, just finished making a logo for the channel. I've done a little intro video. So this year I've got a couple projects and ideas for this channel. The first one would be me and a couple of mates. We're trying to walk the entire coastal path of Wales. We're splitting up into sections, and so the first section of that I've already posted a video for. So the idea is that we'll do about 6-7 hours walking for each section. So for example, the next section we're doing is Chepstow to Caldicot area, and then from there to Newport to Cardiff and so on. We're not doing it in order, it's just kind of as and when, whatever suits. But that's the first project. Like I say, the first video is already up for that. But the main big one and the exciting one for me this summer is, again, me and a couple of mates, we're going to do the Beacons Way. So the Beacons Way, if you don't know, it's a 99-mile walk from, well, you can start at the west or the east end, is up to you. But we're going to be going from, well, near Llandovery all the way over to Abergavenny. So it should take us about 8 days. Not 100% sure because we've never done it, but we're hoping for 8 days. So we're going to be doing that in August, and I'm going to film a video for each one of those days and then probably do like a highlight video at the end. So that's the big exciting project for this summer. I've only just gotten into multi-day hikes and wild camping and stuff. It's like the first video I put on this channel was my first multi-day hike, so that was only a couple of weeks ago. But the plan is to do more and more of that stuff and to film more and more of it as well. So the general setup that I've got at the minute, I've recently just bought a DJI Action 4 and it seems like a pretty good camera so far. It's pretty good to use out on walks, so I'm going to be using that mainly for filming. As well, I've got drones. There will be bits of drone footage put throughout the videos. So yeah, generally that's what you can expect here. Anything outdoorsy, hiking, camping, all that stuff. And it'll mostly be based in Wales, obviously, because that's where I'm from. But in the future, I hope to do things like Hadrian's Wall, get up to the Highlands in Scotland, maybe film a few videos in Ireland. So generally just the British Isles, I'd say, is where most of this content will be based. As I'm a native Welsh speaker, I did think about doing the videos in Welsh. I wasn't too sure, but I might just put in bits of Welsh now and again, or maybe do whole videos in Welsh. I don't know. We'll just sort of see how it goes. Sorry, I've just had to pause that there because I got lost in my own words. But yeah, hopefully you can kind of follow me along this journey. Again, I don't know exactly what the format will be for these videos. I'm just kind of working it out as we go along. But one thing you can definitely expect to see is more of this thing here. She's asleep at the minute, but she'll definitely be showing up in a few videos, I'm sure. But yeah, so like I say, subscribe if you fancy it, and yeah, just see how this goes. That was.